As Vincent is shaping up his Shamba, he must also remember to shape up his finances. Lucy Nguru, a finance expert from FSD, has come to give Vincent some advice explaining how financial record keeping is vital to keep his savings plan on track.
Vincent, how is your business doing?
My business is doing well.
Yeah.
And I think according to what I'm expecting to be saving is too little. And for that case, I need some advice on how to improve my saving.
Good. Are you still doing the records of your sales?
The records of my sales is somehow partial, whereby I am not very much keen on the record keeping, whereby by the time I intend to do my farming, I need to have a clear record to show, whereby to assess whether it is a profit or a loss.
Well, I think that is interesting because, people think that doing records is a bit complex, but really it is not.
Yes.
And like you can see, when you have a business, you can only have three things.
Yes.
You can either make a profit,
yes,
or you can break even where you are at par,
yes,
or you can make a loss.
yes.
And basically what we are doing is to just make sure that your farming business, what you put in and what you get out is balanced in a way that it favors you.
Okay.
For example, if you want to make a profit, and you can look here, you could want to have your sales being higher than your expenses.
Yes.
Which means whatever you harvest and sell must be higher than the farm inputs, your labor, and everything else that you spend in the business.
Yes.
Then that way you'll have made a profit.
Good.
On the other time, if you have a situation where your sales, what you sell is equal to the expenses, the input you have put in the farm, your labor and all the costs are equal to the money that you have sold your sales, then basically you're not doing anything. And that is why that's what we say, it's break even.
Okay.
Another situation in business, like I've said, there are all the three things, you can make a loss. Where you're making a loss, it means that your sales are much lower than your expenses. So your expenses are higher and your sales are lower. That means you're actually not in business.
Why have you come with so many books?
These books are books that you will use in your business. They're simple to keep. They may look many, but they're just step by step. For example, when you make a cash sale in your farm, then you record here. Again, if you supply somebody, then you can invoice from the invoice book on credit, But of course, remember, credit has to be minimal.
Okay.
Again, when you make a delivery, for example, you deliver to the cereal board, you would make a record of everything that you have delivered, and the person receiving must take note, and you leave them with a copy. If you have any payments that you make at the farm level, you can use a petty cash voucher. All this helps you to keep a record, and then all that then you process in your cash book, where we keep the money coming in and the money going out, and then at the end of the month we'll be able to summarize that. A little notebook to just make note of any other thing that you might come across as you carry on the farm. Vincent, like we explained, it's very important to keep your money in a local financial institution. This will help you to make your money safe, because when it's at home, it's not safe. It will also help you to build a relationship with your financial institution. And again, will also help you to save, because money in the bank is actually safer than when it's at home.
It is so important to manage your finances. Keep good records and bank your money with a local financial institution.